Namaste. We know the Bhagavad Gita was one of the most revered texts of philosophy and spiritual wisdom. From today on, we will look at each verses of the Bhagavad Gita. The first verse of Bhagavad Gita from the first chapter, Arjuna Vishada Yoga, is Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre Samaveda Yilsava Mamaka Pandava Cheva Kima Kurvada Sanjaya. That is, Dhritarashtra said, O Sanjaya, after gathering on the holy field of Kurukshetra and desiring to fight, what did my sons and the sons of Pandu do? The two armies had gathered on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, well prepared to fight a war that was inevitable. Still, in this verse, King Dhritarashtra asked Sanjaya what his sons and his brother Pandu's sons were doing on the battlefield. It was apparent that they would fight. Then, why did he ask such a question? The blind king Dhritarashtra's fondness for his own sons had clouded his spiritual wisdom and deviated him from the path of virtue. He had usurped the kingdom of Hastinapur from the rightful heirs, the Pandavas. By the term Mamaka Pandava Chaiva, Dhritarashtra subtly reveals his attachment and partiality by referring to the Kauravas as my sons and the Pandavas separately, creating a sense of division. Feeling guilty of the injustice he had done towards his nephews, his concerns worried him about the outcome of this battle. The words Dharma Kshetre, the land of Dharma, used by Dhritarashtra, depicts the dilemma he was experiencing. Kurukshetra is described as Kurukshetram Deva Yajanam in the Shatapada Brahmana. It means Kurukshetra is the sacrificial arena of the celestial gods. Hence, it was regarded the sacred land that nourished Dharma. Dhritarashtra feared that the holy land might influence the minds of his sons. If it aroused the faculty of discrimination, they might turn away from killing their cousins and negotiate a truce. A peaceful settlement means that the Pandavas would continue being a hindrance for them. He felt great displeasure at these possibilities, instead preferring that this was transparent. He was uncertain of the consequences of the war, yet desired to determine the fate of his sons. Therefore, he asked Sanjaya about the activities of the two armies on the battleground. See you again in the next episode with the second verse. Thank you.